আমি বাংলাদেশ, আমার জন্ম ৭১। কত তাজা প্রাণ হয়েছে বিলীন আমার তরে, কত তাজা প্রাণ হয়েছে বিলীন আমার তরে। আমি বাংলাদেশ, আমার জন্ম ৭১। আমি বাংলাদেশ, আমার জন্ম ৭১। হো 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 হা হা।
Assalamu alaikum students, and very good morning to all of you. Do you know what's the day today? Yes, today is 26 March 2021. And who can tell me why this day is so special for all of us? Yes, that's because we got our independence on this day exactly 50 years ago. So happy Independence Day, children.
Do you all want to know how did you achieve our independence? So let's get into the story. Freedom is the birthright of a man. No one has any right to snatch away the right from anyone. Despite the fact we had to suffer for years upon years to get this freedom. We had a land, but we had no native land. We had language, but we had no voice. So we had no alternatives than to stand upright for the cause of our existence. Because before 1971, we didn't have any individual identity. Until 1947, we were ruled by British government, and again in 4 years, we are under the dominance of West Pakistan.
It's only 1971 when we achieved our independence after fighting for long 9 months. More than 30 lakhs of people sacrificed their valuable lives for the cause of freedom, and the independence of Bangladesh was declared by the father of our nation, Bangabandhu Sheikh Mujibur Rahman, on 26th March 1971.
Now, let's talk on how it all started. Okay, babies, tell me. If someone demands to snatch away the right, freedom, dignity, and your country, would you allow that? No, never. Yes, like you, Sheikh Mujibur Rahman wanted the same thing. He wanted an independent country. Yes, and he created an independent country.
When all the domination, misleading, mistreating were going on with Bengali people by West Pakistanis, then the father of the nation raised his voice against them. And on 7th March 1971, he gathered the people in Racecourse Ground and invited them to fight for their independence with whatever little they had in their hands at that moment. His speech was so strong that thousands and thousands of people engaged in the war to make Bangladesh free.
That peace he delivered that day was so magical that all of us should hear at least for once to know the depth of the love of a man, the power of his words, and the urge to free his motherland from the dominance of West Pakistan. So babies, let's watch the video.
সেই প্রভাতে সূর্য উঠেছিল আর সব দিনের মতোই পাখির ডাকে এসেছিল নতুন সকাল। তবু সেদিনের বাতাসটা ছিল অন্যরকম। আনন্দ উৎকণ্ঠা প্রত্যাশার মিশেলে সেখানে ছিল নানা গুঞ্জন। লাখ লাখ মানুষ জমায়েত হলো ময়দানে। বুক ভরা স্বপ্ন সবার। তিনি আসবেন, বলবেন মানুষের কথা, দেবেন মুক্তির বারতা। বাড়ি থেকে বের হলেন বঙ্গবন্ধু। বের তো প্রতিদিনই হন, আজকেরটা বেশ অন্যরকম বটে। শত্রুদের নীল নকশা সত্যি হতে দেয়া যাবে না, তাই যাদের গুম্ফ আছে ব্যাগ ব্রাশ করেন আর পাঞ্জাবি পরেন, তারা বসলেন তিনটি গাড়ির দুটিতে। সামনের গাড়িতে বঙ্গবন্ধু। গাড়ি চালকের কৌতূহলী জিজ্ঞাসা, আজ কি বলবেন স্যার? বঙ্গবন্ধু বললেন, আমি জানি না, আমার মন যা বলে তাই বলবো। লাখো বাঙালির মনের কথাই যে বঙ্গবন্ধুর মনের কথা। তার মন তাই বলেছিল মুক্তির কথা, স্বাধীনতার কথা। রেসকোর্স ময়দানের অগণিত জনসমুদ্রের সামনে বিশাল জনতার ঢেউয়ের মধ্যে সোজা মঞ্চে উঠলেন তিনি বলিষ্ঠ কণ্ঠে বললেন,
এবারে সংগ্রাম আমাদের মুক্তির সংগ্রাম, এবারে সংগ্রাম স্বাধীনতার সংগ্রাম। জয় বাংলা।
Wasn't that magical, babies? Yes, it was. So, after 18 days of his speech on 25th March in 1971, West Pakistani military force started a horrible genocide on innocent people of East Pakistan to stop them from achieving their hard-earned independence. That night is called as Operation Searchlight.
And the dark night promoted Bangabandhu Sheikh Mujibur Rahman to declare the independence of Bangladesh. The very next day, on 26th March 1971. And that's how he got our independence. With this declaration, people of Bangladesh inspired to achieve freedom and also gained victory on 16th December 1971. Joy Bangla.
The people of Bangladesh made a lot of sufferings, pains, and agonies for achieving our independence. So, we should promise to protect our independence to be a successful nation to the world. Happy Independence Day!
Happy Independence Day.
Happy Independence Day.
Happy Independence Day.
Happy Independence Day!
Happy Independence Day.
Happy Independence Day.
Happy Independence Day!